Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Yay! I'm so excited right now. And I can really feel the Christmas vibes because of Starbucks. Yan, diba? May red cup. Paganda ko. By the way, here's the design of the red cup of Starbucks for 2024. And ang cool ng sleeves, so. Diba? Then, merrier together. Yan. Di ba? Pati paper cup kino-collect. Yan. Since yan, we're going to feature now the 2025 Starbucks Tradition Collection. And we've already completed all the 5 collections. O, di ba? Grabe, no? Day 1 pa lang, kompleto na. Okay. Yan. Pero kwentuhan muna tayo. So, paano ko siya na-complete? Yan. So, by the way, to complete this one, yan. Kwentuhan muna tayo, Yan. To complete this, to get one Starbucks collection, you need to collect total of 17 e-stickers. So, you could purchase either tall, grande, or venti to earn one e-sticker. So, you could collect via your Starbucks app, or Starbucks account, or via e-promo card. So, yan. On the other hand, yan, via Lazada or in-store purchase na bulk order na minimum single receipt is 7,000, you could get also one of these. Yan. Diba? So, if ever you're going to drink a cup of coffee or juices, you need to drink total of 85, diba? To complete all this one. But if ever, yan, you want to get this, yan, ng ora mismo, ng mabilisan, yan, bulk order na lang, 7,000 each. So, yan, diba? Feature ko sa short vlogs ko yung mga new collectible merchandise ng Starbucks. So, check nyo na lang or visit kayo sa nearest Starbucks store. So, let's go unboxing this one. So excited! So, let's start with the first one. Here's the turquoise tumbler. Yan. Diba? So, minimalist nung box niya. Wala masyadong design. But, let's look on the inside. Yan. Diba? So, nice. Okay. Diba? So, yun, actually yan, for me, nag-bulk purchase ako ng magkano, 7,000 times 5. So, kayo na mag-add. So, yun po. Kaya ako na-complete siya agad. And by the way, who's Team Peppermint Mocha here? So, hello po. Yan. Hey, mga Team Peppermint Mocha dyan. Yan. So, wait. I'll just set this aside. Yan, the box. And here's the first one. Oh, nice. So, it's a 24 fluid ounces or 710 ml. Yan. Diba? That's the turquoise tumbler. And ang cool nung lid niya, yung paano siya, pa-concave. Yun, no? So, yun. And may purpose yan, para pagka sumobra yung water nyo, para dulas siya pa loob, diba? Huwag lang matuluan na kung ano-ano. Yan. By the way, it's an acrylic, made of acrylic or a plastic. Yan. And it's a double-walled tumbler para if ever, sweat-free yung hands niyo pag cold yung drinks nyo on the inside. Yan. So, open lang natin. Yan. Color pink. No? So nice. Wait, and the turquoise straw. And yan. Yan. And there's an instruction. I'm not pretty sure if this is also can be used with hot. Okay. Intended for use with cold liquids only. Yan. So wag na makulit. Pwede po ba sa hot? Hindi po siya pwede for cold lang. Nakalagay po sa instruction. So alam niyo na. So is it dishwasher safe? Wait, let's read it again. Wait, binalik ko na kasi yung instruction. So yan, nakalagay dito. Before first use, clean all parts. Clean before first use. For general cleaning, washing by hand is recommended or follow the instruction on product. Yan. Always make sure lid is securely properly before drinking. Do not over-tighten. Yan. Syempre, pagka na-over-tighten yung silicone, masisira. Do not freeze. Yan. Product is not guaranteed against minor leakage. So, possible pa rin siya for leakage. So, hindi siya 100% guaranteed. Yan. Do not use with carbonated beverages. Kasi po, ang carbonated beverages nagpo-produce ng hangin. So, alam niyo na. Baka sumabog. So, yan. And, ano ba? Do not microwave unless stated on the product. So, sa ilalim nyo nakikita, so, I think it's dishwasher safe. Do not microwave. Hand wash only. Yon, cold beverages only. Nakalagay pala po sa ilalim. Okay. Yan. So, clear tayo yan. In-explain ko na isa-isa. Hopefully, it's clear. And hopefully, this video could help you decide which one would you claim first. So once again, here's the turquoise tumbler. And of course, sa turquoise ulit tayo. Or hindi. Next naman. Sige. Here's the indigo tumbler. So basically, it's the same color. I mean, same design ng box. Masyadong minimalist. Mas darker lang siya. And the only difference is black naman siya. Kanina kasi white paper, ito black. So the only difference, syempre, is the color of the cold cup or the acrylic cold cup. Wait, I'll just set this aside again. Right, yan. Yan. Oh, it's a combination of color indigo and orange. And ang naiba naman dito, comparing it with the turquoise and the indigo, yan. Ito is Starbucks lang nakalagay, dito is the logo. And for me, mas manly tong indigo kaysa sa turquoise. Medyo pang mga pang girls to. Yan. So, you could use it naman. Kahit any color naman. Ito yung mas gusto mo kahit lalaki ka. Walang problem naman. So, yan. It's the same. Same lang yung lid niya, palubog. Yun. Same lang, same siya. Yan. Again, may logo siya. Then, again, it's 710 ml, 24 fluid ounces. Then, double-walled double-walled po siya. Para if ever again, para pag cold drinks, hindi po magsusulat yung hands nyo. So, same. Yan. Okay? Again, sabi don't over-tighten it. Then, ingat po kasi wala po siyang silicone rubber sa baba. So, may tendency na dumulas. So, yan. So, ingat lang. Diba? Grabe, diba? 17 e-stickers, tas malababasag lang. So, yan. So, that's for the cold cup tumblers. Yan. Here's the turquoise and the indigo. Yan. Okay. So, we're done now with the cold cups. Yan. Same na same lang yung pinaka size, shape, and variation niya. But different design lang and color, syempre. Yan. So, yun. So, let's proceed now with the indigo tumbler. Yan. So, meron rin po siyang turquoise. Diba? So again, the only difference yan, nakita ko agad dito, may Starbucks po nakalagay sa turquoise, and for the indigo is the logo. So let's open this na sabay. Since same lang naman po siya. Yan. So pakita na natin one by one din. So yan, black paper dito. Wait lang. Then dito is white. So alam niya na. Yan. Diba? So I'm just wondering, bakit kaya nag-focus si Starbucks now sa tumblers instead of the planner? Since mas gamay tayo or mas love natin yung Starbucks planners and journals, diba? And kahit na we're used to write our to-do list and reminders and mga plans sa cellphone natin ngayon, iba pa rin kasi yung Starbucks planner and journal, di ba? And one color lang siya, sayang. Sana man lang ginawan dalawa. Starbucks, why? Anyway, yan. Okay? So again, tama ko yan. So the only difference for the indigo is logo siya, but the turquoise, Starbucks po nakalagay. Then, same na same po yung size niya. Same na same yung design. Then, yon Team Indigo. Yan. So, it's 16.5 fluid ounces, 488 ml. So, medyo konti lang yung water na malalagay. Okay. So, ayun, may isang ano niya, lid niya. It's the same. Oh, cool. Stainless po siya. Wait. Para naman sabihin niyo wala tayong biases. Yan. Diba? So, same. Then, kunin natin yung instructions. So, let's just check kung meron tayo, may difference yung cold cup and the tumbler alone. Yan. Do not overfill product. Hot liquids can cause burns. Also, pwede po siya for hot liquids. Alam niyo na. Yung cold cup is for the cold drinks only. Cold tumbler, I mean. And for this tumbler, this could be used for your hot or cold beverages. Then, yan. Do not microwave. Always ensure lids properly secured. Do not use it with carbonated beverages. This is not a toy. Blah, blah, blah. Do not freeze. Yun. Then, ayun nga. To avoid buildup from possible fermentation, do not leave dairy or citrus beverages in product for more than 12 hours. Yun. Okay. So, alam niyo na. Dapat linisin nyo every after use. This is neat. Actually, I like this one. Yan. Pero no, sana nag-stick sila sa same design. Pero, well, iba-iba naman tayo per year. Pero, what do you think, highlighters? With the design right now. Masyado minimalist for me. But it's cool. It's Starbucks pa rin. So, once again, here's the turquoise and indigo tumbler. And of course, last but not the least, yan. Wait, I forgot the name. Yan. Here's the 2025 is Sable Planner with pouch. Again, Sable, as in Sierra, Alpha, Bravo, Lima, Echo. Yan. Sable Planner. Yan. Sable is a color. Ano ba yung color ng Sable? Wait, I'll just search it. Sable is a color. Sable. Sable is a color dark brown or black color. Yun. So, medyo sa dark shades siya. Pero white yung box. So, let's unbox this one. So, so this is the, yan. By the way, wait. Pakita natin naman yung, nito. Yung tawag dito. Yung close-up. But for now, this is the best part, di ba? Yung every bukas nyo ng ganito, may isip nyo yung pinaghirapan nyo sa pag-inom ng kape. Yan, diba? Wait, may siya, may toolbook. Para last time, actually, if you've watched my vlog, last, may siya, may mancha agad. At ganun. RT lang, meron po siya something on the box na dot. Anyway, yan. Kasi ganun talaga yung mga collector yan. So, yun. Real tayo ngayon. Para tayo nagla-live. Kasi last time around, actually, yung inopen natin, yung pen niya, nagloko. Yun. But hopefully this time around, hindi. So, yun. Combination po siya ng dark and light. Wait. So nice. Mas maganda pa rin talaga to. Diba? So, it comes with a pouch and weightless. Ang ganda ng log box. Then, wait. So, ano ba to? Wala. Wait. Yan. Then, okay. So, it's a pouch. So, it's a dark, parang indigo pouch. Parang ayan, indigo. Yan. So nice. So, any notebook pwede nyo ilagay. Then, metal siya. Metallic. Diba? Closer look tayo. Hindi ako nakikita. Starbucks. Yan. Then, meron po siya ditong lagayan. I think pwede naman kasya yung phone. Kasya. Pero usually naman yung phone yun. Lagi-lagi yung daladal eh. Yung nilalagay dito eh. Diba? Then, si planner. Then, cool. Cool. Wait, I'll show you now the design per page. Okay, so here you go. Here's the closer look. Yan, diba? So nice. So elegant. Yan. Okay. So, naka-plastic po siya right now. Hindi siya naka-sealed like dati. Wait, check natin. No? Nakakamiss tuloy yung tumbler, yung planner dati. Since it comes with Starbucks cards. Na, wala na. Diba? If you remember, meron siyang special edition na card na doon nyo lang makikita yun. Napakita ko na naman na yung pouch. So, here's the closer look nung pinaka-planner. Yan. Diba? So, color black. Yan. Para siyang wooden, no? Yan. Medyo ano lang siya. Plain lang right now. Then, it comes, yan, with the strap. Ooh. Then, may star na... Wait, let's see. What's this one? So, it's a paper clip. Oh, it's a paper clip. Yan. Paper clip po siya. Yan. Then, it comes also with this ball pen. Yan. Wait, let's just remove the plastic. So, yan. A golden ball pen from Starbucks. Yan. Siyempre, hindi natin gagamitin ito. Again, pantambak lang natin ito. Yan. So, yan. Let's open this one na. Yan. Okay. This is a 2025 planner. Yan. This planner belongs to, you could write down your name here. Then, here's the calendar for 2025 and 2026. Yan. So, yan. So, yan. You could write down your to-do list here. Diba? So, oo nga, no, mas nakita ko yung convenience nung sa phone, unlike dito. Kasi like, may napat ka kunyari sa 11, January 11, then buburahin mo. So, medyo madumi siya. Diba? So, it's up to you. Pwede naman, like, pwede mo siya lagyan ng square. Kunyari, then, go to gym. Hindi ka pupunta na. So, lagyan mo na ng mark na X, diba? So, para alam mo kung ano yung accomplishment mo or hindi. Then, ito, yan. So, yung detailed, tawag dito, here's the detailed information about your booking on the said date. So, yan. So, yan siya. Diba? Cool. So, same. Yan. So, nagbabari lang siya per yan. So, may maka-design siya per yan. Diba? So, that's for January. Hindi. Here's for January. Diba? For February, ito po siya. Yan. Then, same lang yung content niya. And yun lang ang medyo for me, comparing to the previous planners, mas maganda yung dati, walang dates. You could use it naman, yan ang cool nung siren. The mermaid from Starbucks, yan. Diba? So, nice. Tapos, that's for March. Then, for April, let's see. Cool. So, yan. Siguro nag-harvest sila ng coffee bean. Yan. I'm not pretty sure kasi wala siyang story man lang. Sana man lang meron brief story at the back but wala eh. Pero yan. Then, for April, that's for April pala. Yan. Then, for May, let's see. Oh. Diba? Ano to? Forgot? Colosseum, di ba? Tama ba? So, yan. Then, next up, the design, yan, for month of June. My birth month. So, my birth month is June 10. That's Tuesday for 2025. O, yan. Then, July. For July, here you go. Yon. So, ano siya, no? Yung parang watercolored painting siya. No? Cool. Diba? Ang minimalist nga ng design ngayon. Then for, ito yung mga fini-feature na lang, forgot the, what this is called, for August. Sumatra ba yun? Yan. Kindly comment down below if tama ako. Yan. And kung ano fini-feature. And here's the beans. Yan. Oh. for the month of September. Let's see kung may coupon siya at the back, stickers, and then the like or calendar. Dati meron eh. Diba? Then for October yan. Oh, cool. Ang abstract looking niya, no? Yan. Oh, then may ano po siya. Tawag dito? May bookmark. May pang-marka yan. Kunyari, anong date mo na. Ito lang haanin mo. Then, kung meron kang gustong iipit, like ito, yung use ng paper clip. Wait, oo nga pala. Hindi ko pala mapakita pa. Yan. Yun. So, alam niyo na. So, yun po siya. Okay. So, ingat lang din. Baka mawala nyo. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, for me, collection ko lang to eh. Hindi ko siya gagamitin. Kasi baka mawala-wala ko. At ang pangit na sulat ko kaya. Yan. Then, for November, ito siya. Oh, it's a peacock. Yan. Diba? Then, for December 2025, di pa nga tayo umabot ng December. Nasa 2025 na tayo ng December. So, here's the last design. Yan. Okay. Forgot the name of this, yan. So, pinifeature yung kung saan nakuha yung mga beans, no? So, like, Sumatra. Forgot talaga, sorry. Hindi ako familiar sa mga beans kasi ng Starbucks. So, yan. So, they're featuring their beans. So, yan. Unfortunately, there's no, yan, San Juli's notes, yan. Ang plain talaga niya for this time. Then, yun. Sa likod, meron kang pwedeng insertan kung gusto mong may ilagay sa na paper. Yun, okay? So, that's the last one. And that sums up the 2025 Starbucks planner. Diba? So, nice pa rin naman siya. Okay? Pero sana man lang, ginawa siyang two colors. Diba? So, that's it, highlighters. Already shown you the 2025 Starbucks Tradition Collection. Particularly, the Sable planner with pouch, the turquoise and indigo tumbler, and the cold cup tumbler, which is the indigo and turquoise. Yan. So, what do you think, highlighters, for this time? Medyo, minimalist yung design niya. And to tell you honestly, medyo neutral ako for this design. Pero, pretty sure, mas pipiliin ko pa rin this time around si planner. Yan. And followed by the cold cups. Ang kulong cold cups, actually. Yan. Pero kasi mas ma-color black ako eh. And color green or red ng Starbucks. And sana pa rin, sana next year, hopefully Starbucks, mas maganda pa rin for me And looking forward, tingnan natin sa mga commenter later on here sa site kung mas favor sila sa tumblers or sa planners. Diba? Pero sana nga, dalawa man lang sana. Nakakamiss yung mga time ng 2012, 2013, 2011 na planner, 4, 5, iba-ibang color, diba? Cool kaya yun. So yun, nakakamiss tuloy. Diba? Yan. So that's it for now, highlighters. Hope you like our video. Yan, pasensya na kung medyo maingay yung background. Hopefully, it's clear. Baka nagkaroon ng problem yung mic. But, yun. We'll improve it on the following vlogs. So, hopefully, please bear with me, by the way. So, yan. That's it for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you in the next highlight. Bye!